What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Folks TV. I'm gonna do a little quick one for you today. We put a third brake light on the rack of the bus about a week ago just to kind of check it out and then see if we like the placement of it and where we might want to put it. So I found a good spot. I'm happy with where it is. I got it all wired up. It's working fantastic. But it's kind of temporarily mounted on there with a like a piece of that plumber's tape, that metal tape with the hole in it, a couple zip ties. You know, it's just temporary on there. So today I'm going to make a bracket. I'm going to fab one up real quick and weld it to that rack, mount it securely on there so I can get a good ground to be nice and bright. It's just going to be a quick little easy one today. So let's bust out the grinder and the metal and let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, this is hideous and temporary and the thing flops around all over the place. So what we're going to do is use this factory bolt here, and I'm going to make a little tab that's going to weld onto the bottom bar of the rack down here, and that light's going to sit pretty much in the same spot, just flipped over so it's correctly pointed, maybe angled just a little bit down. Super easy, and that's one of the reasons why we didn't powder coat this rack yet. You can see it's starting to pick up a little patina because that spray paint was, you know, it's just a temporary thing. But what we're gonna end up doing is when we figure everything out and we get all the tabs welded on and everything that I want to do to it, we'll have it sandblasted again and then take it down to the powder coaters and, you know, get it done correctly in this silver. It looked good for about a week, but we've had some rain, so but that's all right. It's just temporary until I'm done welding. So let's jump in the shop and we will fab this bracket and put some blankets over this perfect paint that we got, and we will weld that tab right down here, right down there on our Skinner rack. Let's go. Alrighty, there we go. Got our wires nice. We got a nice bracket. That thing is solid on there. Sorry about that light. And you know, it's kind of tilted down a little bit. You see, I welded it at an angle here so that this would kind of point down so people could see it from behind. And that's a lot better. Let's go see. I turn on the. You can come with me. Look, it's the inside of the bus. I gotta put the key in. Put it in right there. So I've got this thing hooked up to the turn signal and brake light because that's the secondary light there. So there it is. We see it. So now, when I turn left or when I hit the brakes, you can totally see that light coming on. Maybe people will be less likely to hit me. You know, coming up behind me. These bus taillights, they're pretty close to the bumper, and I've done everything I can to make them bright. But, you know, you can only do so much. So up here, maybe they'll be a little more visible for people. So there we go, gang. It got dark on us, but that's okay because we're dealing with lights. And we got our little light on. So just a little quickie today, a little quick video for you. Just me having fun on a Friday night by myself. So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, hit the little like thing, buy some t-shirts from us. The link is down below. Thanks for watching.